Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 26th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 18 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on. Answer is 26th July. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on 26th July since the year 1999 to mark India's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil conflict. The Kargil war was fought between May to July of 1999 in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir along the Line of Control (LOC) in which India got the victory. The Kargil war was fought for more than 60 days, ended on 26th July. Question number 2. World Mangrove Day is observed every year on. Answer is 26th July. The International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem, or World Mangrove Day, is celebrated annually on 26th July to raise awareness of the importance of mangrove ecosystems as a unique, special and vulnerable ecosystem and to promote solutions for their sustainable management, conservation and uses. The day was adopted by the General Conference of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, in 2015. Question number 3. What is India's rank in the 2024 Henley Passport Index? Answer is 82nd. Singapore has reclaimed its title as the world's most powerful passport, offering visa-free access to a record 195 global destinations, according to the Henley Passport Index 2024. India ranks 82nd, allowing visa-free entry to 58 countries. Following closely, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, and Japan hold the second spot with visa-free access to 192 destinations each. Question number 4. India's first turmeric research center will be established in. Answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on 24th July approved a fund of 800 crore rupees for India's first integrated turmeric research center. The center will be established at Vasmat in Hingoli district of Maharashtra. Turmeric is used from daily life to making medicine. Therefore, there is a huge demand for turmeric from the country and the world. This crop needs less amount of fertilizer and water consumption is less. Question number 5. Who became the first bowler to snap up 7 wickets on ODI debut? Answer is Charlie Castle. Scotland bowler Charlie Castle became the first bowler in ODI history to claim 7 wickets for 21 in his debut. Previous record had South African paceman Kagiso Rabada had taken 6 wickets for 16 in his ODI debut against Bangladesh in 2015. Another bowler who had taken 6 wickets on ODI debut was West Indies' Fidel Edwards, who returned figures of 6 wickets of 22 against Zimbabwe in 2003. Question number 6. Who became first Indian to honored with a customized gold coin by Grevin Museum? Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan has been honored with customized gold coins by the Grevin Museum in Paris. Shah Rukh is the first Indian actor to have gold coins in his name at the museum. Shah Rukh Khan is famous all over the world. His figure is honored in wax statues in the US, the UK, France, and India, among other places. Question number 7. As per FAO's report, which country topped the maximum forest area gain? Answer is China. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO's report, India secured third spot among the top 10 countries with most significant forest area gains during 2010 to 2020 period. As per the report, India has gained 2.66 lakh hectares of forest area annually from 2010 to 2020. While China topped among the top 10 countries with the maximum forest area gain of 19.37 lakh hectares, followed Australia with forest area gain of 4.46 lakh hectares. The global forest covered is about 4.1 billion hectares in 2020. Question number 8. Which city will become fourth state capital in Northeast India to be connected by rail? Answer is Aizawl. The city of Aizawl in Mizoram will be the fourth state capital in Northeast India to have train service by July 2025. Bairabi Sairing Railway Project goes from Bairabi in Assam to Sairing in Mizoram's Aizawl district and is 52 kilometers long. Assam's main city of Guwahati, adjoining capital Dispur, Tripura capital Agartala, and Arunachal Pradesh's Nahralgun, adjacent to capital city Itanagar, are already connected with the railway network. Question number 9. Which shipyard has constructed the Indian Navy's stealth frigate, Triput? Answer is Goa Shipyard. The first indigenously built Talwar-class frigate, named Triput, for the Indian Navy, constructed by the Goa Shipyard Limited, GSL, was launched into waters on 24 July 2024. The ship is part of the two frigates India is building indigenously with the help of Russia. Russia is scheduled to deliver the first of the two ships, Tushil, in September 2024 and the other frigate, Tamal, by February 2025. Question number 10. Min Aung Hlaing has become the acting president of. Answer is Myanmar. On 22 July 2024, Prime Minister of Myanmar and Chairman of the State Administration Council, SAC, Senior General Min Aung Hlaing, has assumed the role of acting president. He will succeed incumbent acting president Mind SWA, who has been suffering from psychomotor retardation and malnutrition. Hlaing appointed himself as the Prime Minister of Myanmar in August 2021. Question number 11. How much amount has been allocated at the Railway Budget 2024-25? Answer is 2,62,200 crore rupees. The Indian Railways has been allocated a record capital expenditure, CAPEX, of 2,62,200 crore rupees for the fiscal year 2024-25, maintaining the same level as announced in the interim budget 2024. This allocation is part of the Union Budget 2024-25 presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, with gross budgetary support of 2,52,200 crore rupees for railways, up from 2,40,200 crore rupees in 2023-24, and significantly higher than 28,174 crore rupees in 2013-14. Question number 12. How much rupees will be spent in the Union Budget 2024-25? Answer is 48.21 lakh crore rupees. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget 2024 in Parliament on 23 July 2024. Total receipts, excluding borrowings, are projected at 32.07 lakh crore rupees, while total expenditure is estimated at 48.21 lakh crore rupees. For the year 2024-25, the fiscal deficit is estimated at 4.9% of GDP. Question number 13. How much crores have been allocated for the health sector in the Union Budget 2024-25? Answer is 90,000 crore rupees. Union Health Ministry was allocated 90,958.63 crore rupees in the 2024-2025 budget announced on 23 July by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The latest allocation to Health Ministry is an increase of 12.96% over the 80,517.62 crore rupees 2023-24 revised estimates. Out of the 90,958.63 crore rupees allocated to the Health Ministry, 87,656.90 crore rupees has been allocated to the Department of Health and Family Welfare and 3,301.73 crore rupees to the Department of Health Research. Question number 14. NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam will set up to green charcoal plant in. Answer is Haryana. NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam Limited will set up to green charcoal plants in Gurugram and Faridabad, Haryana. These plants will convert municipal waste into charcoal or green coal. India's largest waste-to-charcoal plant is in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and it can process 600 tons of waste daily. Question number 15. Who has been elected as the youngest president of Mumbai Cricket Association? Answer is Ajinkya Naik. Ajinkya Naik, at 37 years old, has been elected as the youngest president in the history of the Mumbai Cricket Association, MCA. In a decisive victory, Naik defeated Sanjay Naik, a candidate supported by Mumbai BJP chief Ashish Shelar, by 107 votes in a one-sided election. Ajinkya Naik secured 221 votes, while Sanjay Naik received 114 votes. The election was held following the passing of the former MCA president, Amol Kale. Question number 16. Recently, who has been honored with French Arts and Letters insignia? Answer is Raheb Alana. Curator and author Raheb Alana has been awarded the insignia of Officier dans l'Ordre des Arts et des Lettres, Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters, by the French government. The ceremony took place at the Embassy of France in New Delhi. Raheb Alana, who is associated with the Al-Kaji Foundation for the Arts, was recognized for his influential work in curating contemporary South Asian photography. Question number 17. The Project Swasthya Nagaram, a unique model for TB-free municipalities, was launched in. Answer is Hyderabad. In a significant step towards eradicating tuberculosis, TB, Telangana launched the Project Swasthya Nagaram, a unique model for TB-free municipalities, on 24 July 2024 in Hyderabad. The project aims to reduce TB incidence and mortality by implementing a comprehensive TB care model in urban areas over 3 years. Question number 18. Which country has been entrusted by the International Olympic Committee, IOC, to host the 2030 Winter Olympics? Answer is France. On 24 July 2024, the International Olympic Committee, IOC, has said that France was conditionally chosen to host the 2030 Winter Games. France previously hosted the Winter Games 3 times, the inaugural 1924 edition in Chamonix, 1968 in Grenoble, and 1992 in Albertville. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.